Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to create multi-step Zaps for business automation. So open your Zapier dashboard and click Create Zap. Create and then Zaps. And select your primary ignition app, for example Stripe. Press on the trigger, search for Stripe. Okay, choose this. And then you can just select a specific operational event. So in the trigger event, just choose what you want. For example, let's say new charge. Then guys, don't forget you will need to connect your Stripe account, of course, otherwise the automation will not work. Click there. And in here, guys, as you can see, you need to provide your test mode secret API key. So just insert it here, press yes, continue to Stripe. And then you can just log in this sample data payload container. This specific record serves as a foundational data pool that every downstream step will pull variables from. Then instead of turning on the Zap here, we will chain consecutive operations to build out a complete automated workflow. So then just click the plus icon directly below your trigger block to spawn your second step. So in my case, it's going to be already here. So this is action. And in here, you can just, for example, select a utility app, go to apps, and you can, for example, type in formatter by Zapier, this one, and choose this. And then you can just click the plus icon again right here to add another step. And for example, in the third one, select your team communication hub, like Slack, for example. Type in Slack right here in the search, type it in, and then add it. Okay, and construct a dynamic alert mapping variables from both step 1 and step 2. Then you can just hit the plus icon one final time. Don't forget to set up Slack as well. Choose an event, connect your account, and then continue. We can just add another step. So in here, you can just route the Polish data blocks straight into your primary CRM, updating the client profile instantly. So just search for your CRM that you use and add it as the final step. And then you can just switch this pipeline on, and a single customer event will trigger a flawless domino effect across your entire software stack. That is it. Enjoy, guys. If this was helpful, like and subscribe.